Hi! Unboxing tayo ngayon with the new Power Mac na binili namin kanina. So, this is a gift for my daughter. So, what we have is three things. Number one, iPad Air 4. Number two, Magic Keyboard. And of course, Pineapple Pen or Apple Pencil 2. So, compatible sa iPad 4. Air 4. Okay? So, unboxing tayo. Let's start off with the most important one. By the way, dito, ito yung classroom ng mga anak ko. So, homeschooling sila. So, here it is. Ito yung box ng iPad Air 4. So, meron siyang capable siya sa Apple Pencil 2. So, let's start off with the iPad Air 4. Okay. You can just check out yung price na lang nila kasi it varies per store or sa offering din nila. So, what we have is na yung 256 gig na storage. So, ito siya, rose gold. So, let's focus on it na. Okay. So, actually, nabuksan na siya kanina. So, we have it tested. And, ang kasama, first, itong iPad Air 4. So, let's take it out from the plastic. Nilagyan na rin namin ito ng ceramic film. White ceramic. So, para kasi, siya, matte finish. At the same time, mas maganda raw ang feel when you use the Apple Pencil 2 sa matte finish instead of the tempered glass. Plus the fact na yung ceramic, ito yung bagong technology na hindi agad-agad nababasag since it's flexible. So let's start up. Yan. Hindi pa siya nako-configure, so let's check it out later. While it's turning it on, let's look around. Titignan nyo, manipis siya, squarish na siya. Plus, you can see 3 connectors there. Kung makikita nyo right there. It would be used for the Magic Keyboard. So, meron siyang camera and power button, volume rocker, and ito yung charger sa Apple Pen. This one. And magnetize siya. Mamaya makita natin. Ito yung speaker hole. Although dalawa lang siya. Stereo speaker. So para siyang yung parang sa mga JBL. Yung parang radiator. Labas siya doon. Tapos yung fingerprint. I think dito rin nata. We'll find out later. Okay. Ang kasama sa box would be yung cable na USB Type-C to Type-C. Yung magkabilang dulo. And the charger, fast charger siya. And USB Type-C. And what else? What do we have under? Ayun lang. And ito, yung mga literature. Let's check it out. May sticker pa kaya? I think so. It's been a while since I bought an Apple kasi na-frustrate ako sa kanila kasi na-update sila. Yung iPad Air 2 dati, hanggang 16 gig lang. Ngayon, halos di ko na magamit, hindi ko na malagyan ng application. Since I put it out, let's compare the size. It's right here. If you see it side to side, mas malaking yung screen size niya. It's almost the same. It's 10.9 ata to. And this one is, 11.9? 11.9, yes. Almost 12. Kasukat siya ng iPad Pro na 11.9. 11.9, 11.4. Anyway. Okay, so you can see yung screen niya. Ito siya. Side by side. See? Retina siya. As you can see, laminated yung screen niya. Kaya you can see it's parang almost walang space in between. dun sa screen, sa pinaka-glass niya, as compared to this na naka-float pa rin siya, naka-ano siya, meron siyang in between the lines. Okay, so next stop would be our, let's put it there, our Apple Pen. This is the Series 2. You can check it out kung ano ang pagkakaiba nun sa bagong, from the old one, the version 1. So, let's check it out. Oh, we got literatures here, and itself, the Apple Pencil 2. So, meron pa siyang plastic, you can see here. You can take it out, then we'll take it out later. So, let's check it out na kung saan yung magnet niya. It's right here. So, we can place it on top of the Magic Keyboard, which is our next step. Okay. Now the old one, you have to charge it on at the back together with the lightning cable. And this one is wireless na, so you have to do it like that, and then it's gonna charge. As you can see, when you put it there, look, once you charge, there's an indicator. See, it's right there. Let's do it again. Let's see, right there, Apple Pencil. Okay. Alright, so next stop would be yung mahal Magic Keyboard. Supposedly I'm gonna what we're gonna buy is yung ano sana, yung Logitech na folio. It's but bit cheaper. Almost half the price is something like 6,000. This one is like 17,000 eh. So let's check it out. Ang ganda na package. Okay, but then you can see yung kinumpare ko kanina, talagang premium siya eh. Double the price and it's really premium. So it's an additional parang 10,000 as compared to the Logitech. Although Logitech is a good brand, premium brand. But this one, so we have the case, this would be the Magic Keyboard. As you can see, may kasama siyang literature here. Okay, so ayun yung 3 slots that you can connect it. So didikit sa magnet, through magnet. At the same time, you can see that USB Type-C hole there para habang while you're using it, it's being charged at the same time. Convenient, diba? So aside from the QWERTY keyboard, a little bit cramped, but it's okay. And ang maganda dito, it has a trackpad. So let's put it on. Let's see how it fits. Kasi since square ang hole niyan, kasi you can use it also with the iPad Air, iPad Pro. So let's check it out. Align it. See? Ang nice, di ba? So this is how it goes. Pwede mo siya i-tilt up to that only para yung center of gravity niya, pag sumobra, hindi siya mahuhulog na gano'n. So you cannot tilt that. That's the most that you can do na may tilt mo siya. Pwede rin ganyan, pwede rin ganyan. So, let's check it out. These stocks. What the hell? Let's do it again. Okay. So, may home button. Ayun na. Good. Swipe up to open. Ayan. Okay, there you go. So, meron bang purpose to? Like that. So, let's try to check yung pag-write ng notes. Let's check it out. That's one new. And this one. Let's try it. Hindi pa siguro ito yung Oh, there you go. Malinaw naman siya. Kaya lang may parang iki-iki sound. Due to since it's new. Meron, let's put in. So ito i-recognize. There you go. Santa instead of my name. How about that? There you go. No, still siguro yung the closest word siguro yung kinakopy niya. So let's get out of here. Hindi na ako familiar with the Apple kasi I moved into Android. Okay, there you go. So just try to fold it Let's see kung gaano siya ka-handy. Ayun, it's so nice. Diba? Yun lang. Scary. There's a possibility na mahulog to when you put it in the bag. But, put it in your pocket like that. Or there. Anywhere. But you can see talaga, it's rubberish. But when you hold it, it's really premium. So, let's open it again. Well, it's the other side kasi you have to do that thing. Doon siya nag-bend. Okay. Sayang. There you go. Okay. Nice, diba? So, with the specs, I'm gonna try this for a week and then we'll find out what would be our review. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.